Greetings everyone, I hope you're having an awesome day. Welcome to Asia L Artisan Body Care. For this video, I will be lather testing some upcoming soaps. One is actually a remake. So I'm going to be lather testing Mango Smoothie, Saffron Honey Tea, Acai Berry Cocktail, and Malibu Beach, which is the remake. Without any further delay, let's get into what you came here for. In a moment, I will show you the look of each finished bar. In the comments on a previous lather testing video, someone mentioned that I should probably not run the water while performing the lather test, and I totally agree. However, this video was actually recorded prior to that, so thank you to that person for the suggestion. The first soap I'm testing is Acai Berry Cocktail. It is a wonderfully scented soap, and it is actually an herbal essence type scent. I perform weekly lather tests on all of my soaps as they cure. All of the soaps in this video were lather tested after 2 weeks on the curing rack. When I perform a lather test with gloves on, I'm primarily checking for lather and fragrance retention. And when I perform a lather test without gloves, it's usually closer to the end of the cure time. And that way I can get a better idea of how well the soap has cured and how well it performs. All of the soaps shown in this video will be available on my website before the end of May 2018. And I will leave a link to my website in the description box so you can go to my website and check out my entire range of Artisan body care products. Next up, we have Mango Smoothie, which is a really nice tropical blend of mango, citrus, and melon. If you would like to see the making and cutting of any of the soaps featured in this video, I will leave a link to each of those videos in the description box. The next time you are on Instagram, don't forget to give me a follow at Asia L Body Care. It's where I share details about products, information, new products, deals and specials on the site, and behind the scenes information in my stories. For the next soap, we have Saffron Honey Tea, which is beautifully scented and created with real imported saffron. The final soap for this lather test is Malibu Beach, which also happens to be one of our customer favorites. For this video, I decided to speed up the parts of the video where I lather test on the bath sponge for the sake of time. And if you like this format, let me know in the comment section, or if you don't like it, and let me know if you want to see it just in regular speed or if this format is fine for you. Also, if you've stuck around for the video this long, I'll take that to mean that you like it. So please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, keep watching because I did throw in a bonus lather test for the soap that I created. It's called Dirty Banana. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a fantastic day, everyone. See you soon.